Hey, I would like to thank Eco Roots for sending me this really cool product to try this out and give you my opinion on it. This is the Eco Roots deodorant cream, and it is the coconut scent. So this is some really interesting stuff. You basically, let me show you what it looks like. It's kind of like a thick paste. You can see I've been using it. You take about a pea-size amount, so about that much is about what I've been using. And you basically just rub it in your armpits like lotion. And it smells good. It smells like coconut oil. And so it's creamy and it's got natural ingredients. And you just rub it on the skin of your armpits, and then it really works. So I've been using it for the last several days, and I personally have not had a problem with sweat odor or like perspiration, like the clothing of my armpits getting wet from sweat, which sometimes happens to me, especially if I'm nervous or if it's really hot. So since I've been using this, it has been working really, really well for me. And so because of that, I very much recommend this Eco Roots deodorant cream. Thanks.